Okay, Dave, I'm going to show you old man style on installing an opener. First off, get everything prepped. Notice how I have everything ready to go. All right. Let's see. Of course, you know, we only install the best. But you'll see what that is here in a minute. The good old LiftMaster. This is the way we do it in Indiana. If you look, get it right there. All my stuff's right here, ready to go. Beauty of the rope in the back, you can swing it to hook your pin in. Works great. All done. Let's see, where can I set this? Don't know if that'll get it or not, but we'll see. Oh, and the other thing, I know you've seen these things on the internet, you gotta have them. They're the best.